Find the radius and center of the circle given by x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals 3. Then graph the circle. So we have our equation, and to put it into, or find the center, we want to put it into standard form, and that means completing the square on both the x variable and y variable. So for x squared plus 4x, we would have to add half the coefficient of 4, half the coefficient of x, which is 4, and then square it. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4. Now for the y, we have y squared minus 6y. Half of the 6 is 3, squared is 9. So then if we've added 4 and 9 to the left side, we need to add it to the right side. On the left side then, we have x plus 2 quantity squared. Then y minus 3 quantity squared, and that's going to be equal to 16. So what that tells me is that my center is negative 2, comma 3. That's reading it off from here and here. My radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. So to graph that, I go to negative 2, comma 3. And that's my center. Then I have a radius of 4. So I would have to go up to there, write it directly above it, come down to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 would be here. And then in terms of a distance over here, we would actually have to go one more, which would be to negative 6, which would be about right there. And on this side, we have to go 1, 2, 3, one more out to 2, which would be there. And now I could draw my circle as best as possible. And that's a circle with a center at negative 2, 3 and a radius of 4.